is where you pick up litter and you jog at the same time you're doing exercise, so then you keep healthy but you also save the environment.
The introduction of Plogging here at Abercannid Community School has raised awareness amongst our young children. They certainly seem more keen and more active now to dispose of their waste in the most appropriate manner. It's also raised awareness of environmental concerns, which of course is very prevalent throughout, not just here in school, but throughout the local community.
Been just over a term, half a term now doing the project. I think one of the successes would be we're not finding any litter now to pick up. Well, to me, that is the most successful impact we can actually find if there's no rubbish, and we've got to go further afield to find that. The ploggers are going out and about picking up the rubbish on a daily event, going around and picking it up so it's not blowing in anymore. So our next step for that now is we're going to go to whole school plogging once every half term.
Local residents have certainly seen improvements in the area. There's certainly less waste along the Taff Trail, for example. There's certainly a lot more litter being disposed of, and thankfully it's having a positive impact on the local community.
It was litter everywhere, it was in our school and all, and now we realise that our animals are eating it as well, so we need to really start cleaning it up. It was our squirrel, birds, foxes, rabbits.
And like if we leave rubbish on the floor, rats can come and they carry diseases sometimes, so it'd be dangerous to leave it out there. And if kids are by the school as well, so they could catch like a disease.
They appear to be, they're happy to go out, they're happy to put their coats out in rain, wind, sun, they're going out. And they're happy to be out and about and helping the community. On one of their journeys, an old gentleman from the community stopped them and thanked them for what they're doing and saying it was a really good initiative to see young children helping with the community, and that gave the children a real buzz then coming back to school.